You've determined what your home is worth, but now you need to know what your net profit will be in order to determine what you can spend on your new home. Hi, I'm Gomez-Acebo, broker and owner at IGA Realty Group, and I specialize in helping you downsize out of your current home and right-size into your new home here at Miami's Upper East, Miami Shores, and Del Portal 33137, 33138, and 33150. The largest fee sellers will be responsible is the commission for the real estate agent, which varies depending on the price of the house. Here in Miami, you can expect to pay 6% of the sale price of the home. Maybe you can negotiate this number, but be aware this can impact on getting you top dollar for your home. Discounts always affect service. In addition to the commission, you may have to pay mortgage payoff. If you have an outstanding mortgage on the home, it must be paid in full before closing. The mortgage payoff has to be calculated carefully to include the balance as well as prorated interests up to the day of closing. If you have a line of credit attached to a lien on the property, the lien must be paid off as well. Property taxes. In Florida, property taxes are paid 1 year behind the current year. When a person sells a home, he or she is responsible for paying property taxes for every day he or she owned the home. For example, a seller with a closing date of August 31st will have to pay outstanding property taxes from January 1st to August 30th. Title examination. Before the transfer of a home can be completed, there must be a public record search to ensure that there are no outstanding liens, mortgages, judgments, or other claims against the property. These costs can run up to a few $100s, and any lien identified must be satisfied before sale. Documentary stamp tax. This Florida state tax, also called excise tax, is a tax the seller pays upon transfer of ownership. The amount varies by county and the amount of the final sale price of the home. Closing fees. This is a fee that is charged by the title company as a cost of closing the transaction. This fee can vary between title companies depending upon where you are located. The average cost is $500 to $800. So, make sure you get your numbers right before rushing out to search for a new home. I can definitely help you with this. Think of me as a resource for all things real estate and downsizing, and give me a call.